What if the greatest threat to humanity isn't an asteroid, or a nuclear war, or even a deadly virus? What if it's something we are building ourselves? Right now, at this very moment. Artificial intelligence, the technology that writes essays, creates images, drives cars, and answers questions, is becoming more powerful every year. And some of the smartest people on Earth have asked a disturbing question. What happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? Not smarter than one person. Smarter than all of humanity combined. It sounds like science fiction. It sounds like a movie. It sounds like Terminator. But for the first time in history, this possibility is being discussed by scientists, engineers, and technology leaders. Today, AI is still a tool. It follows instructions, it doesn't have emotions, it doesn't have desires, it doesn't have goals of its own. But every year it becomes more capable. Tasks that seemed impossible a decade ago are now routine. AI can generate videos, write software, translate languages, analyze medical scans, and in some areas it already performs better than humans. The question is not whether AI will improve. The question is how far it can go. Imagine an AI that can redesign itself, an AI that becomes slightly smarter, then uses that intelligence to make itself even smarter, and then smarter again, and again. This idea is known as an intelligence explosion. Some researchers believe that once such a system exists, progress could accelerate beyond anything humanity has ever experienced. Months could replace decades. Days could replace years. A machine could solve problems that the greatest scientists cannot solve. Diseases could be cured. Energy could become nearly limitless. Technology could advance at an unimaginable speed. But there is another possibility, a much darker one. What if a superintelligent AI does not understand human values? Not because it hates us, not because it is evil, but because it simply has a different objective. Imagine giving an AI one simple goal: make as many paperclips as possible. It sounds harmless, but a superintelligent system might conclude that everything on Earth should be converted into resources for producing paperclips. Factories, forests, cities, even humans. Not because it is angry, not because it wants revenge, simply because it is following instructions. This is known as the alignment problem. How do we ensure that a machine more intelligent than humanity shares humanity's goals? No one knows the answer, and that uncertainty worries many experts. Now think about military AI. Today, autonomous drones already exist. They can identify targets, track movement, and make decisions faster than humans. What happens when future AI systems control thousands of machines at once? What happens when autonomous weapons become smarter, faster, and cheaper than human soldiers? Future wars may not be fought primarily by people. They may be fought by algorithms. Entire battlefields could react in milliseconds, faster than any human commander can think. This is one reason governments around the world are investing billions of dollars into AI development, because nobody wants to be left behind. And when competition accelerates, safety sometimes becomes a secondary concern. This is where the Terminator comparison begins. Could intelligent robots actually rise against humanity? The truth is that no serious scientist expects Hollywood-style killer robots to suddenly become self-aware and declare war on the world. Reality would likely be far more subtle, far more dangerous. A future AI would not need red glowing eyes. It would not need a metal skeleton. It would not need to announce its intentions. A sufficiently advanced AI could influence information, control digital systems, manipulate financial markets, coordinate autonomous machines, or exploit weaknesses humans never noticed. The danger is not that AI becomes evil. The danger is that it becomes powerful without being fully understood. And perhaps the most unsettling fact is this: humanity has never created anything smarter than itself before. Every tool in history was ultimately controlled by human intelligence. AI may become the first exception, the first invention capable of making decisions beyond our understanding. Some experts believe this could happen within decades. Others believe it may take much longer, and some believe it may never happen at all. The truth is that nobody knows, but history has taught us something important. The most powerful technologies always change civilization. Fire changed civilization. Electricity changed civilization. The internet changed civilization. Artificial intelligence may change civilization more than all of them combined. The future could become a golden age of abundance, a world where disease, poverty, and many human limitations disappear. Or it could become one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. Right now, nobody can say for certain which future awaits us. But one thing is undeniable. The race has already begun. And while most people are sleeping, working, or scrolling through their phones, artificial intelligence is getting smarter every single day. The real question is not whether AI will change the world. The real question is, when it does, will humanity still be in control?